Gamification, is it only for fun? No, it's not. Gamification is really about learning from what is fun about games and seeing whether we can use those techniques to engage people in something else we want to do. So quite often, gamification doesn't actually look fun. It's just about motivating people more and helping get behavior change from them. What makes gamification a part of a business? I think definitely it's a mindset. It's throughout the business. It's about working out where you want to tweak people's behaviors, how you're going to go about it, whether it's from the customer or from the user or training. It's just thinking about how am I going to have that extra impact, do something different? And also taking into account the fact that people, particularly millennials and post-millennials now coming into businesses, they expect it to look like that. They expect things to look like games. So use that. I would advise lots of things, but I would say, first of all, start with something quite small and use a bit of gamification to go through a gamification design process on it and have a really big impact, because you can. And then you can use that, the figures from that, the ROI on that, to then go on and do something more. And the other reason for starting with something small is, to be honest, the users, the staff in every company are different. They're motivated by different things, and you learn so much from the small projects to begin with that you can really do something much more successful and more likely to be successful as the follow-up. One of the things we find is that people love to start with big projects in gamification. That's probably by far the riskiest thing to do, even though obviously we'd make far more as consultants if that's what they always do. I would rather start with something small and have big impact.